Kia ora guys, we are Alien Weaponry and we are here at the Whangarei Aquatic Centre shooting a music video for our song Tangaroa.
So we're here at good old Tangaroa, which is the ocean and the energy of the sea. And yeah, we wrote the song basically to bring light to the fact that we are poisoning, polluting our beautiful Tangaroa. And just walking down the beach, I already saw at least 10 bits of plastic just washed up on the sand dunes. And yeah, this is not the direction we want to be going in, but it is the direction that humanity has seemed to be going in for as long as anyone can remember.
I've always grown up around the ocean, raised in the ocean. Mum just chucked me in there as a baby, learned to swim, always been a part of it. Dad's a big fisher, loves fishing, so it's always been a very important part of my life, the water in general, all bodies of water. And it is unfortunate to see the direction it's going in the future and the way people treat our waterways, beaches, rivers, all that stuff. So here's hoping we'll do better.
Recording Tangaroa was a very strange process. Obviously the entire video is shot underwater and we're so used to doing our standard band performance videos now that moving to something like this has been really interesting. Just coming to the video shoot and instead of having to set up our gear, we're having to sew our shirts to our pants so they don't lift up underwater. There was a lot of challenges, mainly holding our breaths for as long as we could before we had to come up and get air, because obviously you had to push all the air out of your lungs in order to get vocal shots, otherwise it's just bubbles coming out of your mouth. And us all being very good swimmers, it was quite easy for us, but at the same time it's still quite a strange feeling going underwater with no air in your lungs, and it's quite surprising how much it'll affect what you can do underwater as well. So yeah, it's been an interesting process, as well as just being able to put things together and kind of make I wouldn't say a story, but a cohesive message in the song. It's it's not like anything we've really done before, to be honest, and it's kind of crazy to see how it's turned out.
Going up to my house,